Good morning, sir. My name is Shlok Rao and my topic name is Java if-else statement. Java if-else statement. In programming, we use conditional statements for this purpose. Conditional statement executes a specific block of code based on whether a condition evolves to true or false. In Java, the if-else statement is a control flow statement that allows you to execute a block of code only if certain condition is met. In simply, the Java if statement is used to test the condition. It checks a Boolean condition if true or false. There are various types of statements in Java. If statement, if else statement, if else, if later. Java if statement. Java if statement is the most simple decision-making statement. It is used to decide whether a certain statement or a block of a statement will be executed or not. That is, if certain condition is true, then a block of a statement is executed, otherwise not. In simply, we can say that Java if statement tests the condition is executed if block if condition is true. Syntax: if condition, then code to be executed. Now we will see one example of if statement. As you can see, we first use a public class name and public static void name string us. After that, we use our if statement and our condition and print statement. That is 20 is greater than 18. And we run this when we run this code, so our output we will get 20 is greater than 18, as you can see in output. Java if else statement. When we use if statement, we only execute code when a condition is true. Often, however, we will want another block of code to when the condition is false. The else statement is written after an if statement and has no condition. The else statement is optional and will execute only if the condition in the if statement evolves to false. In simply, the Java if-else statement also tests the condition. It executes the block of condition is true, otherwise else block is executed. Syntax is if condition, then code if condition is true, then else, then code if condition is true. So we can see now example. We first use it public class name and public static void name string as. Then we use it in statement and specified our condition that our time is 20, and then we use if statement and our condition is time is less than 18, then print system or println good day. And if time is greater than 18, so print good evening. And now you can see in output, our time is 20 that we specify in our example. So our output is good evening. Java if-else statement. The if-else statement executes one condition from a multiple statement. You may be written in a program where you want to evaluate a multiple statement and execute a code depending on which statement, if any, evolves to true. That's where the if-else statement comes in. The if-else statement checks the one statement, then evaluates it called subsequent statement. Syntax is if condition 1 is met, then run condition 1 code, then else if condition 2 is met, then run condition second code, then else, then run another code and continue. So now we will see one example of if-else statement. So basically, it is a program who is a system of a fail, B grade, C grade, B grade, or A grade and A plus. So we can see here is a string value we will taken in the input from the user. The first if condition will check the input value, and if it returns a false, then the value will check by the next if condition and so on. The message of the else part will print if all if conditions return false. So as you can see in output is C grade because our student achieved 65 marks that we mentioned in our example here. Conclusion. The if statement is used in Java to run a block of code if a certain condition evaluates to a true. The if-else statement is used with the if statement to run the code if a condition evaluates to false. In addition, the if-else if statement is used to evaluate a multiple conditions. Thank you.